Sendinblue email automation. How to use email marketing tools of Sendinblue. Full guide. Alright, so hi there guys. In this video, I will be talking about how you can create your first automated task here in Sendinblue. But yes, first of all, for starters who are who are looking forward to use Sendinblue, just click the link below. I put down a link so you guys can check it out for yourself if you want to start out with it. But this is how it already looks like. It's a minimalist website. I'm not sure if I'm gonna call this minimalist, but it has the blue themes. I'm not sure if you can be creative about all of this stuff, but I'm pretty sure not. And this is not what you see once you land on the website, by the way. You first land here on the dashboard. And here on the dashboard, we have a sidebar where you can access your email, the templates that you've created, statistics, how your emails are going, how many people collect your email and stuff like that. And also you can set up some settings right here. And you can also see the plan options. The plan that you're currently under, and how many credits of SMS can you send still. And the dashboard looks pretty clean, but I'm not pretty sure if some people would find this appealing. But yeah, some people will really prefer the minimalist type of a software instead of those softwares that has moving dashboards and a lot of stuff on screen. It can sometimes be overwhelming. So for people who are really particular with minimalistic designs, and if you don't like overwhelming graphics in front of your screen, Sendinblue will totally be the right fit for you. But now let's talk about the automation aspect of Sendinblue. For you to create an automation, just click on automation. Automation is really important and essential for your business because you get more time to do the more important things. And so think about it this way. This one right here is your automation. This is Sendinblue basically automating your stuff. Now, what it can do is that when it has opened an email, and when someone has subscribed to a list, and when someone has placed an order, these things will happen. It can either send an email, or update the attribute, or add to a list. All of this can be automated. Now, if you're familiar with IFT, it works close to something like that, but not a lot more specific compared to this one, Sendinblue. Now let's hit this button, create your first workflow. It's taking a while to load up. I've also created another video for Sendinblue, by the way. It's about creating your first email template, and the same problem persists. My internet connection is decent right now, and the site takes a long time to respond compared to other sites that I'm actually browsing right now, and sometimes that's not really appealing. And as someone who likes to use work systems or work applications, Sendinblue is the first software that I've used that takes this long to respond. I'm not kidding. I'm not really kidding right now. But okay, now workflows here on Sendinblue are pretty much templated, so you already have like workflows available for you to check out right now. They've also categorized it based on your needs. So you have here the most popular workflows. You can improve engagement with these workflows in here. Can increase traffic, increase revenue, or build relationships. It's really dependent on your needs as a business or the needs of the marketing department. Now, for abandoned carts, just select this card right here, and this is how the automation will look like. First is submit. Now this will determine the event done by your customer. So if the event is like your customer updated the cart, the next automated task your Sendinblue will do is that it'll wait for 2 hours. Now after 2 hours, If the cart hasn't been, you know, that your customer never went back to the cart and actually checked out, it'll send an email that, about an abandoned cart to that customer. And after it'll send an email, you can exit this workflow and start again. Wait for another customer. Yes, and for you to create this automation or custom workflow, it's not done yet. Just hit on create. And again, it's taking a while to load up. But yeah, that was faster compared to before. Okay, so once you click that, there's a pop-up window that will appear. Essentially, this is where you set up additional information. So it says here, start this workflow when an event happens, of course. So the event would be the trigger. So I like to call it trigger event. And the trigger event causes an action to happen or causes something to happen after the trigger has been done. And that's essentially what you want to happen. The trigger is the cause, and the action or the effect of the trigger is the end goal of your automation. Now, is this a custom event? Toggle this, tick this on. If it's not, remove it. I'm gonna go ahead and choose next. And how many times or how long will your contact will wait for the abandoned email? It can be like 2 hours, 3 hours, or 5 hours. Hit on next. That's for the trigger. Now we are closing into the send an email. All right. See, this is the problem that I'm talking about. Okay. So how do you want your email to be sent? I want to send a hidden copy of this email. I want to choose when to send this email. Or you can also choose where or how will your event be customized. Then next. 4 of 6, make sure to set all of this up. Custom event, track event. You can just add conditions to the selected JS event if you want to as well. And I'm gonna hit on next. Okay, I forgot to tick it off. Okay, the event name should be like event. I'm gonna hit on next. Okay. And just something else. Alright, the track custom event, track event. Now card updated. Finish. Okay, so this is how the automation looks like now. It's actually loading. So you can add an entry point here. Entry point will be the site or the email activity, contact details, a contact, submit form, website activity, or stuff. And once you're done setting everything up, you can activate the workflow and you'll immediately start receiving or automating the work that's usually takes a lot of time. But basically that's it, you guys. And yeah, if you like more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. But that's it for this video. See you again on the next one.